This video we are going to fix the Rockstar Game Launcher not opening. So go to Windows Security. In this click it, and once click it, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Virus and Threat Protection, and in this you can see the Antivirus Microsoft Defense option is there. Click it and enable it. It is automatically detect periodically checking all the folders and files. If it's not work, go to second method, go to C drive and click program files 86, and in this Rockstar Games folder is there. Click and rename it. Put underscore in that, and as it's rename completed, then close it and go to settings, and in this go to app settings and go to installed app. In this, if you check there is any unwanted app or available or not, if available, remove it, and if not using app available means remove it, just remove it. Okay, next method is we need to uninstall. Go to control panel and click program, uninstall the program. Click and uninstall the Rockstar Game Launcher, and after that reinstall it. This can completely solve the issues.